Do you guys live in Montebello or East LA, Monterey Park, Pico Rivera, Downey, or the surrounding cities? My name is Christopher Medina. I'm a hearing instrument specialist, and I have an office here in the city of Montebello. It's actually right over there on that side. So if you're struggling with hearing loss, maybe you're isolating yourself from social gatherings, or you're just looking to better your hearing, I have helped tens and thousands of patients, and I can help you better your hearing. And right now I'm offering a free hearing test, consultation, and 7-day trial of our most advanced hearing aids. So if you or someone you know would like help to better your hearing, click the link below, and I'll see you here.